And now we're up to the hood. There's about 5 bolts under the hood scoop, under the hood, that you take out. It's an 8mm. Take that out and you can pop it out. But let's see how this goes. We're doing the hood black, and hopefully this goes as according to plan. Welcome back, guys. I'm a little under the weather. We're trying to give you guys an update on what has happened, what has transpired in the past few months. I have a whole bunch of videos that I made. However, one, my GoPro died, literally died. Like, it doesn't work anymore. So I have to get a converter to get those videos out. So far, this is how the car looks. We may have lost footage of us wrapping it, but this is how she looks right now. I don't know if you can tell the green. It's like a green goblin. All right, so this is hopefully this is a better look. So far from what we have, here's a side skirt, mirrors, front bumper left. We got to redo the hood. As you can see, I made a mistake. What you shouldn't do is cut straight. So as you know, when you're wrapping this, you're gonna have some excess. My mistake was cutting straight and then ended up splitting it instead of cutting it in like a cup form. So keep that in mind. Car is pretty dusty right now since I haven't drove the car for the past maybe 3 weeks. The car has been sitting here for a couple of reasons, but as you can see, most of the car is pretty much done. Oh yeah, I have this door left to do, which I'll probably knock out today. I had to redo that other door as well. I have to redo this fender. Everything looks fine in this fender except this part over here. As you can see, it's creasing. It's already like shrinking up due to the sun, and then you can see the fender already. So that has to be done. Again, mirror over here. I have to redo the roof, and hopefully you can see why. There's a whole bunch of... I was very lazy. I didn't take out the shark fin. Supposedly you can take out the shark fin when you take off the roof liner. Once you take that off, there's a screw that's holding it. You can pop it out. I have to do the top of the wing. So there's a lot of things that still has to be done on this car. Performance wise, everything is practically done on this car. We just got to get it tuned. We have a few things on the list. Don't mind the handwriting, but yeah, we haven't hit our 1500 mark yet, but that will be done. Then we got to get it tuned. We have an AFR gauge. We need to get an oil pressure gauge. As you see right here, this is our list to buy. The most important things are the pods to hold the gauges in, oil pressure gauge, boost gauge to see how much boost we're boosting. I do want to get an exhaust manifold with the up pipe because my up pipe is broken. The heat shield, as you know, that's common, and the bump steer kit. Access port was there just in case I wanted to change my mind. I'm going open source. I'm going to try to scroll through the vinyl, see how much I can scrap up because I used most of it already. And as you can see, I have rows of extra vinyl. I think I can do that door. I can't do the side skirts, I think. I do have a row of black. I'm thinking about doing black in the meantime until I can get another row. Definitely the hood can't be done. So I'm considering on just closing the scoop back in and leaving it as so for now until I can get another row. The car might not be driven, so might just leave it. Depends. Today I'm gonna do the front bumper and the door. Call it a day with those two, and probably the wing. So I went and showed you my mistakes that I've made. So this is my first time wrapping. I'm learning as I go. Still learning the bumpers. Hardest part to me is the door handles and mirrors. Right now, front bumper is definitely an issue because of the inlays or overlays you may have to do. So right now, I spent one day doing the bumper and it came out kind of terrible. I'm trying to fix all my mistakes. We have all of this lifting up, crinkling already. So I'm gonna do a overlay here, starting from all the way back here. Just gonna do a whole in overlay coming up. Well, them stop right here. Do another one here, and then now I'm working on this license plate thing. I wanted to shave it down, but that's more money, so it cut in the middle, and I'm trying to kind of make it fall into the recess over here. I did also take my time to wrap this. Didn't came out perfect, but I feel like it's okay for now. I might do an overlay here, but I don't know if I feel like keeping it like that. Other than that, I did also the fog light bezel, which you can see It is not perfect. I was learning as I go, and yeah, I gotta do multiple pieces on that. So I painted the other fucking like bezel like flat, a trim black, just to see how it would look. I don't even think I paid attention to it at all. So most of the car is pretty much done. I might have to order more. I don't think I have enough because I have to redo the hood. I'm gonna do the hood green. I thought I wanted it black. I don't think I want it any black anymore, and I ruined it anyways. So I'm gonna do the roof black. So I gotta order more black. I ran out. Well, I ran out for the roof. I have enough for like little small pieces, maybe here and there. I'm gonna do the hood. If I have enough green wrap, I'm gonna do the hood. And I still gotta do the wing and that door, the driver door. Still gotta do the driver. Let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do now is make another piece here. It's gonna be an overlay. I did mess up this part, so I ended up cutting it out, and then I'm gonna place another piece here to kind of cover that up. I'm going to try to save this piece because it's a really big piece, so I'm gonna keep whatever is on and looks fine. I ended up cutting the pieces that were bad, and I'm gonna do an overlay on top of it to kind of hide it. And yeah, this is a different material here. I don't know if I should wrap that too or just leave it as so, but let's find out. And then I'm probably gonna put a plate here to cover this up or just do another overlay. All right, it's been, have no idea how long it has been, but we are in the month of June. I think it's June 1st or 2nd, one of the two. We just took off the wrap from the hood. There was a lot that went on with this build. A lot of the wrapping went behind the scenes, off camera. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but the GoPro died that we were using for a lot of the filming. We are in process of trying to obtain a camera, most likely Sony. And again, it has to be 2 cameras, one for Fred and one for myself, as we're in 2 different states. However, we're utilizing the iPhone, might as well. We have accomplished most of the wrapping on this car. Like I stated, some of it went behind the scenes, so most of it can't be shown. It was recording on the GoPro, however, the footage got lost. I don't know what happened when in the midst of it dying, mid-recording, most of the videos were lost. As you can see, we removed the black wrap off the hood. My opinion on the ViVvid wrap, the black in particular, wasn't the best. I'm not sure if it's just the quality, but definitely it wasn't scratch resistant. So not that all of them are scratch resistant, but it was really easily to get scratched. It tends to rip very easily. As you can see in the video, I did show that it had a rip like a V, like it had a V-neck black shirt on it. Well, now I decided to take this day as there isn't much to do. We had a lot of mechanical issues. The car has been going through a tuning process for the past couple weeks now, but it has been going through its issues. I haven't got to the point to see those issues because I haven't hit boost. Once I hit boost, all of the issues started arising. So that's one of the reasons why I wasn't able to see them ahead of time. I have hopefully fixed all of it. We're waiting for a map sensor, which the OEM map sensor broke. I went with an Omni 3-bar map sensor. We're waiting that from Import Image Racing. So right now, we're gonna wrap this hood in the Simona green that we have. We have a couple feet left, and I'm sure we can cover the hood today. I did a black hood thinking that's what I wanted to do, but now I want to switch my mind and do a black roof. Anyways, the roof is already messed up, so I don't really care about it. So we're gonna probably rip that off maybe next weekend, depends whenever I can get that black wrap, and we'll resolve that. But right now the hood is the priority at the moment. Ran out of knifeless tape, so I can't do the hood scoop. However, I'm gonna clean all of this real good. I'm gonna kind of sand down the scratches and the dents that it has, or chips, I would say, that the car has. Clay bar it once more, just prep it once more before we go through that process. I'm by no means a professional. I have been learning with this car. Let's get to it.